Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. Okay, in last class we have discussed the topic before number, after numbers. Now in this class we are going to discussing the topic between numbers. Okay, now all of you take your test book. All of you have a test book? Okay, take your test book students and open a page number 3. Page number 3. Now here the given topic like this: before, after, between. In the given topics, first one, second one over. Before numbers, after numbers, over. Now we can go to the third bit. Okay, in this class we are going to discuss the topic third bit. Okay, now I am writing third bit on the board. Take your third bit. Here, what comes in between? The question given like this: what comes in between? Okay, now here first one, 29, 31. B bit 44, 46 and C bit 96, 98. These three problems given in your textbook. Okay, all of you take your pencil and sharpen the pencil and note down the answers. Okay, now first one, now I would like to explain in first one, 29-31. In your textbook circles given, but I am writing like a dash. So now you write down the answers in the circle. So now here 29-31. So now here we can find out the number that just comes after 29. So now the number that comes after 29, what we can do? Here we can do the addition plus 1. Okay, so now we can do the addition with 1. So now here 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. So now 1 is carrying here. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. What is the answer? 30. So now 30 I am writing in the middle. Okay. Now first problem over. Now I am go to second problem. Now here in second problem given like this: 44-46. Okay. So 44-46. Now we can find out the number that comes just after 44. So now just after 44, what we can do here? We can do the addition with plus 1. Okay. Now I can do the addition with plus 1. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 I am writing here. And here 4 directly I am writing here. Here no adding numbers, no. So that's why 4 I am writing directly. So now what is the answer? 45. 45 I am writing in the blank. So all of you write the answers with pencil and in your textbook. Okay. Next one, 96, 98. So now we can find out the number that comes just before 96, not just after 96. Okay. The number that comes after 96. Now here 96 I am writing here, and we can do the plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7, and again I am writing here 9. So 97. 97 I am writing in the blank. Okay, understood? So now here first one 29, 30, 31. Next 44, 45, 46. Next one 96, 97, 98. Okay, understood? So these are 3 problems given in your textbook. Note down. All of you write the answers in your textbook. Okay. Now, so all of you close your textbook. Take your classwork, all of you. Take your classwork. Okay, take your classwork. If you have place, you can write continuously. If you have no place, you can write in next page. Okay, all of you draw the margin, no? Draw the margin. Okay, now here write date. Today's date 16/9. Today's date 16/9. Okay, now here write the question in your classwork, all of you. Take your book and take your pencil. If you have place, continuously write. If you have no place, another page to write and draw the margin and write the date and write the question. Third one, what comes in between? What comes in between? So now I give the 5 problems. Okay, now note down, all of you. B bit, first A bit 86-88. Next one 4-6 and C bit 17-19 and D bit 32-34 and E bit 55-57. Now I am given here 5 problems. 1 problem I can do here and next remaining 4 problems you can write in your classwork. This total problems you can write in your classwork and then you can remaining problems you can do yourself and writing after you can send a pic to the concerned WhatsApp group. First problem I can write in a board. Okay, 86 given now. So now first I am writing here rough column. In that column 86 given, first 86 I am writing here. Now we can find out the number that comes just before 86. Now here the number that comes after 86. Okay, the number that comes just after 86 is equal to 86 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 and 8. The answer 87 I am writing here. Likewise, remaining 4 problems you can do in your classwork and take a photo means or take a pic and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. You have no homework book, no? So that's why in classwork I given in your classwork homework means in classwork book only I give the homework. Why? Because already text work I doing in the class. So homework book not is there, no? So in classwork only I give the problems. Okay, these problems you can do it, then you can take a photo like this, here to here, take a photo with date, take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Okay, understood all of you? అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, ఈ క్లాస్ వర్క్ బుక్లోనే మీకు ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తాను, దీన్ని మీరు మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్కి పంపించండి. ఓకే, సో నౌ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ టేక్ యువర్ డైరీ, టేక్ యువర్ డైరీ, take your diary, write day, day, Wednesday, Wednesday, date 16/9 and This is your page, diary page. Here columns are there. Telugu, Hindi, English. Now I am writing here maths. In maths column, you can write today's diary work. Do given problems in classwork. Understood? In classwork, given problems you can write and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Okay. So now this is today's homework. Okay. Thank you.